Package from treestuff.com. I was going to open it up, and in this video I was going to go through it. There are Pro Evo 2's boots, and then a Stein knee ascent system, and then a replacement blade for my silky saw. So I've been climbing all along kind of old school, and then this is a transition to new school. So let me unbox it, and then I'll go through how the new system works. Here's my Stein knee ascent system. My new Zubot blade. I just broke that off of my saw. I don't know, a week ago or so. Dropped it out of a tree and broke it. And then, I've been waiting for these. And here are my Pro Evo 2's climbing boots. So I'll give them a try right now and show you how they work. So that's what I'm looking at today, is transitioning from old school to a new set of Pro boots and a Stein knee ascent system. Okay, my new Evo 2's, my Stein knee ascent system. This is it here. I haven't actually used this before, but I'm really curious to give it a try. Really like Stein products. Everything I've ever used of theirs has worked really well. And then the other thing that came was that Zubot replacement blade. So let me show you how I used to climb. So again, I've been doing tree work for so many years. The way we started was we just spur up everything and either prune it or cut it down. Those days are long gone. I remember the day I got my first big shot. That was pretty exciting. But I stopped doing tree work a few years ago full time. Actually more than a few years ago, and now I teach high school woodshop. It's been a wonderful change, but since I've taught high school woodshop, I've always done trees on the weekends and during the summer. And the nice thing about that is that a lot of my students in the high school woodshop work for me in my tree service. And the thing that's so cool about that is like all the tree services in the area are all old students of mine. So like today, fantastic tree service called Tree Safe. Brian Bixler, if you've ever seen Mr. Bix's YouTube videos, they're fantastic. He's an unbelievable climber. He was an old student of mine, and today he brought by a bunch of incense cedar logs for the wood shop, so we're going to mill those up. Take a look on my channel. Channel is TopSaw, named after a chainsaw tool I invented, and you'll see those logs that Tree Safe delivered. So this is the way I've climbed for quite a few years here. I'll just tie in this way. I can't quite remember what this knot's called. I know this, when this came out, this was revolutionary, but now I know it's old school. That goes in there. And then the way I just climb, the way I used to climb, is I did have an ascender on my foot, and I just pull myself up, and then move that ascender up. So that's kind of the only way I've been climbing for the last few years. But now I'm going to try this new knee ascender. So I did look at a few different things. I think how this thing works is it clips on both of these. On the Evo 2, goes like that. About the height of your knee. I got some short legs. I think this ties in here. I do see most people use like a chest harness, but I think I'm just going to clip it. Or the other way I've seen people do this, this is kind of a cool technique Brian showed me, is to clip it into your flip line and put your flip line over your shoulder. Camera woman is my phenomenal daughter. So maybe I'll try this. I think this is how he does it. And that way you can kind of adjust the tension you want on it. That's a nice whack in the chest. So I think that's set up pretty good. It seems it's pretty high. Oh, one thing on the Stein knee thing is that it locks in place so the rope can't come out. And then this safety pulls it, put the rope in, and now there's no way to get the rope out without releasing the safeties. There's my older son pulling up right now. Hopefully he won't drive over my rope. He wants to get into tree work as well. Just having it. Alright, so I don't want to get my new boots dirty, so I'm just going to swing out over here. Oh, this is, oh my goodness. This isn't even tree
Cool.
work. This is more like tree fun.
That's super cool.
It is cool. So rather than the single ascender, I have a secondary one.
So is the new gear holding you up so you walk and then you pull yourself up with the other boot?
No, the new gear is not life support at all. That's really important. All the life support's in my tie-in point here. Oh my God, that is so easy. That is unbelievable. Well, I like that a lot. Now I'm going to take it off and come down.
Ready, set, go.
I like it. Fantastic. I love this system. These are Pro Evo 2 boots are beautiful, really comfortable, much more support than I expected, much more support around the ankles. They're great. All right, the Stein system also I love. I give it 5 stars. Great review. I love that Silky Zubot. Pole saw. I love my Stein knee ascender. Take me a little while to get it in my system, but I feel like I will. I love my Evo 2s. Oh, probably take the tag off. I'll get back after a day of working in them. I guess my next step forward is to replace my old school tie-in points. So I'll get this dialed in first, and then I'll start replacing this. Alright, so if you like that video and you learned something, that'd be great. If you subscribed, hit the like button. I'd love to hear your comments in the comments section down below. Again, I do tree work on the weekends. Teach wood shop, high school wood shop, where I bring the logs in during the weekends. We mill them up and then make wood projects out of them. So hit that subscribe. Thank you.